All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking new tools. All right, we got some new tools the last couple weeks. Figured I'd show them off. We'll see how they go. If I review them, great. If not, oh well. First tool I got, in case you guys haven't noticed, I'm on a magnet kick. So I got the KTool International 4-piece magnetic toolbox tray kit. KTI 72462A, and it consists of a magnetic tool tray in 6 inches, a 12-inch, a paper towel holder, and a spray can holder. Now I haven't really used much of them because the 12-inch tray wasn't quite what it wasn't exactly how I thought I was going to use it, so I haven't actually used it. Or the little 6-inch tray, I've actually used extensively because I put it on one of the lifts and I hold lug nuts with it. As far as the magnets, they're pretty strong. Hasn't fallen off so far with what I've put into it, but you know, they're just little magnet trays that you can put on places and store stuff. Like I said, I've been on a magnet kick. All right, next one I got is by KTool. Now obviously, I'm sure you can buy this somewhere else, but it is an 8-piece funnel set. Now, I bought this kit because I have 2 Lyle oil funnel kits, and the reason is I haven't been able to find the adapters separate. And according to my Mac dealer, you can get every bit of piece on this if something breaks or you lose it, which seems to happen to me for some reason. But it is an oil funnel kit. You know, you screw it into the thing and you got a nice little oil funnel. It's a multi-part kit. You've got the little funnel thing, and then you've got, as I drip oil, and you've got various different funnels that screw onto it. No muss, no fuss. You know, we don't use oil guns here. We use, you know, gravity-fed oil tanks. So we've got a big old, you know, 5-quart, 8-quart, you know, dispenser to dump in. So these come in really handy. But I got them because, well, I don't like making messes. And to store them, I just cut the top off of it, put it over by my fridge, and we'll see how it does over time. The Lyle kit's okay, but I've lost and broken adapters, so I've gotten 2 of them so far. Now the last couple tools I've gotten are, well, technically rebuys. One car lost 3 tools. First one I lost was my number 2 long magnetic bit and my magnetic screw holder from KTool, which, by the way, if you go to replace one of these because you lose it or the magnet comes out or whatever, it's the same price as the normal kit. That's because you get 3 of them. Now my Matco guy only sold me 1, obviously, and I got a new bit from him, Matco obviously. I was really sad when I lost my bit because I use this thing constantly. This is my number 2 screwdriver bit I use with my impact driver. I almost never grab the shorties unless I have a clearance problem. And this one hurts a lot. I lost my standard flex head, locking flex head, Matco ratchet, and my semi-deep 10mm socket. And this is not ADV, it's Matco. Yeah. Nothing like doing a dash job in the heat and not going thoroughly through the car to make sure you got all your tools out. So, yeah, fun, fun, fun. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.